Realme GT Neo 6 SE. In this video, we're going to talk about this mobile's complete features. Let's start with this mobile's price, and we'll discuss about display, processor, battery, camera, and multimedia and everything. So basically, this mobile comes with the price tag of the lower end variant will comes with the price tag of 21,999 rupees, almost 22,000 rupees. Let's talk about this mobile's details. Starting with the display, it comes with a 6.78 inches of LTPO AMOLED display, which is a 120Hz refresh rate display. By the way, this display is the brightest display in the mobiles. There is a 6000 nits of peak brightness. These displays can go up to 6000 nits. If you are watching the video until now, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. Speaking about the processor, this comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3, which is a 4nm based octa-core 5G processor. By the way, this comes with a 7 5G bands, and these mobile will be available in different variants like 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256, 12GB RAM 256. These are UFS 4.0 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM types. And when we talk about the cameras, it comes with the dual cameras at the back side, 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization, and 8 megapixels of ultra wide angle secondary camera. For the front, it comes with 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And when we talk about this mobile's battery, this mobile comes with a bigger battery in this segment of the mobiles from 22 to 25,000 rupees range. That is, it comes with a 5500 milliamperes of battery, which supports 100 watts of fast charge through wire, which can charge your mobile from 0 to 50 in just 10 minutes as advertised. So unfortunately, this model doesn't have any wireless or reverse wireless charging features, and this model will be available in two colors, green and silver color. And this model is going to release soon in India. And when we talk about this mobile's other features like multimedia, it comes with a stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. And this mobile comes with a ultra in-display fingerprint scanner. This model doesn't come with any IP60 water resistant or 64 splash and dust resistant features. So when we talk about this mobile's features, like it comes with a plastic frame and plastic polycarbonate back, and inside the box of this mobile, it comes with a mobile itself, TPU case, a charger, cable, SIM ejector tool, as well as some guides and stuff like that. And this mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, and accelerometer and compass and everything. And it also comes with the NFC, yes, which is missing in a lot of mobiles. And so these are the features of this mobile. So wait until the mobile releases and purchase this mobile. By the way, if you want to watch more videos from my channel, I have all the links in the description box as well as here in this iCard section, so you can directly watch it from there. By the way,